Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Artificial Intelligence, Reinforcement Learning in Python. In this lecture, I'm going to show you where to get the code for this course. All of the code for my machine learning courses are in my GitHub repo, github.com/lazyprogrammer/machine learning examples. The relevant folder for this class is RL. The command to download the code is git clone and then my GitHub URL, which you can copy and paste from the GitHub repo homepage. I would recommend using the SSH URL so that you don't need to type in your GitHub password every time you do anything. Make sure you periodically check for updates or run git pull so that you have the latest version. All of the data in this course will be mentioned in the relevant lecture if needed. If you don't know how to use Git, or you need help setting up your development environment with the right Python libraries, you'll want to check out the environment setup lecture in the appendix. At this stage, I suspect that these things are probably trivial for you. This course is designed with that in mind. I always recommend my students try to code for themselves, but if you get stuck or you need help, then the code in my GitHub repo has already been verified to work, so you can always check your code against that. Occasionally people ask me, what are the practice activities for this course? The practice is implementing the algorithms you learn about. The point of that is because it's one thing to watch the theory lectures and understand the concepts at a high level. It's another thing entirely to understand them so well that you can implement them in code without any reference. This is what computer scientists do, so that's the approach you should take. Let me make that clear. You should not just watch the video straight through. You probably will end up not remembering anything. Writing all the code yourself in this course is especially important. The thing I found with reinforcement learning algorithms is that at a high level they all look almost exactly the same. So if all you do is sit there and watch the video straight through, you'll be confused and you'll probably wonder why I taught you the same thing 3 times. I recommend you do not take this approach because you won't get anything out of it. So take initiative, be proactive. Those are the kinds of people this course is for. Only by trying to write the code yourself and struggling through the details will you really start to understand what is being taught.